Alright, so I'm going to be editing some YouTube videos and I'll show you how I go about doing that in my process of uploading tutorials. This is actually my new channel, by the way. I had a good few other ones on different topics. I'll link to them if you're interested. So let's see what the video's on first. Yeah, basic 5-minute tutorial on Photoshop. Basic Photoshop. Gotta love spell check, eh? Photoshop, step by step. Now, you want to sprinkle keywords all over your description so you rank high. So I'm going to do that now. This tutorial basically explain what the video is going to be about. We'll show you how to use the tools in Photoshop to edit your images and designs. This we will see the different ways that will show you to create cool images with the Photoshop tools. Alright, that's just an example. Obviously I'd take a bit more time on it if I was doing this properly, but this is for demonstration purposes. So, Photoshop tutorial. Now here's how I'd make a thumbnail. If you have Photoshop, I'd recommend it. Photoshop tutorial. Search up thumbnails that are already popular and get inspiration from them, because the thumbnail is key to getting views on YouTube. So you want to have an eye-catching thumbnail. Now this looks really nice. Smash you on to do with glitches. Right. Photoshop 5-minute basics glitch basics. Photoshop stroke really big, make it big and bold. And I'm gonna have 2021 because we gotta get with the times, you know. 2021. Apply. If you're not familiar with Photoshop, I have a few tutorials on that as well, which can get you up and running. It's great for making thumbnails. There's also Canva, which is another option, which is like an online way to make thumbnails really quickly as well. I'm pretty sure it's free also. Photoshop basics. I keep clicking into Chrome when I'm actually uploading on Internet Explorer, so it's weird having two browsers. Photoshop, search it. Right, glitch basics. Right, now if you want to see keywords, related keywords for your videos, you just search in the search bar Photoshop tutorial and see what other words come up after that, what it suggests for beginners. Yeah, Photoshop tutorial for beginners. Control C, I'll put in 2021. Paste, never mind. Right, you'd fill that up with a lot more keywords. I'd go to that and I just copy them down. Now, education. Import. I'll schedule it for the 6th. Now anyhow, that's how you upload a YouTube video and you schedule it. You just follow along with that when you're ready, and I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next one.